Is YouTube on your Samsung TV stuck on a frustrating black screen? Let's get that video unstuck without missing a beat. The first and simplest fix is a full restart of your Samsung TV. Press and hold the power button on your Samsung TV remote until the TV completely shuts down. Wait about 30 seconds to allow the TV to fully discharge. Then press the power button again to turn it back on. This often resolves temporary glitches. Next, let's ensure the YouTube app itself is up to date and navigate to your TV settings, usually found by pressing the home button on your remote. Look for an apps or applications section within there. Find the YouTube app. You should see an option to check for updates, or it might update automatically during a system update. If there's an update available, install it. A weak or unstable internet connection can also cause playback issues on your Samsung TV. Go back into the settings menu and find network settings. Select network status to check your Wi-Fi connection. If your signal is weak, try moving your router closer to the TV. Or consider restarting your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. If you're still experiencing the black screen, try clearing the YouTube app's cache. Still in the TV settings under apps, select YouTube. Look for an option to clear cache or clear data. Clearing the cache can remove corrupted temporary files that might be causing the problem. You might need to sign back into your YouTube account afterwards. As a last resort, you can uninstall and then reinstall the YouTube app. Find the YouTube app in your TV's app list, select it, and choose the uninstall option. Once uninstalled, go to your TV's app store and search for YouTube again. Download and install the latest version. This completely resets the application, often fixing persistent issues, and gets you back to enjoying your favorite videos.